Rbxbar free Robux pricey explained what you get for your money. If you're a Roblox player, the idea of free Robux is tempting, but most people get this wrong by trusting sites like Rbxbar. The surprising truth is that these sites are often scams, and pricing doesn't involve money, it involves your account security, personal information or time. Most of these websites promise free Robux in exchange for surveys, app downloads or account details. In reality, there's no guarantee you'll get any Robux, and some users report phishing attempts, malware or banned Roblox accounts. What you get, rarely anything legitimate, maybe guides or promotional content. What you give up, personal information, account safety and possibly your device security. Here's how to stay safe. Step 1. Only use official Roblox channels or gift cards for Robux. Step 2. Never share your password or personal information on third-party sites. Step 3. Research reviews and avoid sites with repeated scam reports. Step 4. Look for official promotions or Roblox events that reward players safely. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore safety tips. Accounts can be hacked and personal data compromised. The surprising truth is that there is no real free shortcut outside Roblox official systems. In conclusion, Rbxbar and similar platforms are high risk and rarely deliver value. By sticking to legitimate channels, you protect your account and get real Robux safely, ensuring you don't pay with anything other than money you choose to spend.